This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Brooke Conley. Relish in maintenance-free living when you step into this turnkey Indian Lakes home. Located in the heart of Virginia Beach, this lovingly maintained home boasts over 1,900 square feet of functional living space and numerous upgrades throughout. The main living area features 2 separate dining areas, beautiful open-style kitchen complete with laminate flooring, stainless steel appliances, subway backsplash, and coffee bar. The interior is rounded out by 4 spacious bedrooms with a primary suite featuring a sliding barn door opening to an updated ensuite bathroom. Enjoy outdoor entertaining year-round with a covered patio, fire pit area, and sweeping backyard. All in all, this centrally located home provides convenient interstate access, close proximity to town center shopping and restaurants, fantastic schools, close to military bases, and all that Greater Virginia Beach has to offer. For more information, review the details below.